Hello and welcome everyone to today's video. So in today's video, we're going to go through the first question of the WAEC 2025 past questions. So we are going to solve through this particular question right now. So it says, the volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is 8,316 centimeter cubed. Find the base radius of the cone. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. Okay, so here we have the options are 21 centimeter, B is 14 centimeter, C is 28 centimeter, and D is 42 centimeter. So we're going through solving these particular questions right now and picking the correct options out of these particular options we are given. Okay, so now to find the base of the cone, we'll take or we'll use the formula for the volume of a cone. Okay, so the volume of a cone V is given by 1 over 3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the square of the cone and the height of the cone. Okay, in our own question, we are actually given the volume of the cone. We are given that V is equal to 8,316 centimeter cube. We're also given that pi is equal to 22 over 7. We're also given that the height of the cone is actually 18 centimeters. Okay, so we're going to plug these values into this particular equation to solve for the value of the radius. Okay, so if I plug in the value of V to this particular equation, I'm going to have that 8,316, which is V, is going to be equal to 1 over 3 multiplied by pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by rho squared multiplied by h, which is what? 18 centimeter. Okay, now we know that in 3 or in 18, we're going to have 3 how many times? 6 times. And I'm actually going to cancel this 3 so that here we're going to have that 8,316 is going to be equal to, I'm going to multiply all the numerators, so we're going to have it to be equal to 22 multiplied by 6 all divided by 7 times rho squared. Okay, so now to actually make rho squared the formula subject, I'm actually going to multiply this right hand side by the reciprocal of this particular fraction. So I'm going to multiply both sides. Actually, this is actually equal to 22 multiplied by 6 is actually going to give us 132 divided by 7 rho squared. I'm going to multiply both sides by 7 multiplied or 7 divided by 132. So that I'm going to have that here is going to be equal to 8,316 multiplied by 7 over 132 is going to be equal to 7 over 132, which is what I multiplied here with, multiplied by 132 over 7 times rho squared. So that this cancels this and this cancels this, and we're going to have that here just that our rho squared is going to be equal to 8,316 multiplied by 7 all divided by 132. Okay, so 8,316 multiplied by 7 is going to give me 58,212 all divided by 132, and this is actually going to be equal to 441. So that means that rho squared is equal to 441. Okay, so if you want to find the value of rho, we have to take the square root of both sides. So the square root of rho squared is going to just be equal to rho, and the square root of 441 is going to be equal to 21. So that means our radius is equal to 21 centimeters. So therefore, option A is the correct answer out of all the options. So here's a similar question I would like you to solve. It says that the volume of a cone of height 18 centimeter is 3,696 centimeter cubed. Find the base radius of the cone, taking pi as 22 over 7. So the options are 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 21 centimeter, and 28 centimeter. So I want you to solve these particular questions and drop your solutions or the answer in the comment section. If you like this video, please help me subscribe to this channel and also share this video with your learning colleagues. Without much further ado, I'll leave you with it that math is very easy. Do have a nice day. Thank you.